in Corus Steel Works for 19 years. And before that I was in the mining industry for 20 years. But every year I've tried to do a course. And if I can pass my knowledge on to somebody else, all the best.
Well, you picked up an interest in the mental health issue following a day school at the WEA that we'd organised. And he asked me then, could we run through the Wolf projects some mental health awareness training at Corus? And he set up the first course, which was immediately fully booked. 14 people attended that and fully completed it. And straight away afterwards he was approached, when you're running the next one, we've got more people who want to do it. I
come from a macho industry. It's very hard for a person who's very macho to say I got stress problems, I got problems in the house, or problems at work.
Well, what Mike's done is inspire people to go on it because they're interested, because they want to go on it. That way they'll absorb it, take it on board and they'll pass it on. If it's compulsorily delivered down through management, then I think people go with a different attitude.
Obviously they respond to you as a mate, not as a counsellor, because we're not counsellors after this first aid course, we just help us. And the way we can do that is just to chat to people. To recognise in the early stages is the most important part of this course. If you can do that, we're halfway there.
Well done, Mike, on getting this award. I know when I nominated you, you said that you hadn't done anything and you were just doing what anyone in your place would do. I don't think that's true. I think you're inspirational, you inspire me, and well done indeed.
With the publicity of winning the award, make people more aware of it and take the stigma away from mental health, and the award will be well worth it.